Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is soulfulabby and I make videos about home, fashion, soul, beauty, and so much more. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Good news! We have reached 100 subscribers. First it's gonna be 100, then 1K, then 10K, and then 100,000. So for this little for this milestone, I would like to host a contest, a give back to my subscribers. I'm so grateful for you guys for subscribing and taking the time to watch my videos. So for my subscribers, I have a contest for you and a giveaway. But first, let's get into the heart of this message. I'm going to get back to the giveaway at the end of this video. Now, I always say that my videos, I do home videos, but I haven't done any home videos yet. So for this, I'm starting a new series on my channel, and it is called Zillow with Me. Woot, 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 woot. So I'm going to give you guys a little clip on what Zillow with Me is about. Roll the intro. Intro. And we are back. Hi guys, as you saw in the intro, I am your virtual fabulous realtor. So I'm going to be taking TV characters and I'm going to be finding them a house. So it's kind of a fictional house hunters-esque type video, and I'm calling it Zillow with Me. Just so you know, there might be a couple spoilers, but I'm going to take the character on the television shows, I'm going to take their personality and try to find them a house online based on their personality, their family situation, whether they're single or have a family or want to have a family, and kind of devise my own fictional realtor situation with them. And then I'm going to give you 3 house options. Uno, dos, tres, 3 options, and I'm going to suggest the best one for them, and then you guys will leave it down below in the comments which house you think is the best for them. This is very exciting for me because this is the start of me getting into one of my major passions, which is design and user experience. And I love, what's better user experience than, you know, home ownership and how people decorate their spaces and, you know, how they unwind in their spaces. We're spending more time in our spaces, so this is going to be fun. Now, I hope to drop the first episode next week after dropping this video. I think this puts the fire under my butt to get things started. The intro took me a minute. I wanted things to be perfect, and I'm happy with it and I'm pleased with it. So yes, another disclaimer. I don't own the images, and I will try to mention that in the description box. I don't own the images of these houses. Okay, let's get back to the giveaway. So thank you so much for 100 subscribers. This milestone means a lot to me. I'm enjoying YouTube and I really want to take it somewhere, and I'm manifesting and believing that this is just the beginning. So for this contest, it's going to be run for 2 weeks from today's date, the day it's posted, to 2 weeks out. I'm going to put the dates on the screen. There's only 2 rules. I mean, 2 like stipulations. You have to, 1, subscribe to this channel and be a subscriber. And 2, you have to follow me on Instagram at soulfulabby. And then comment down below your Instagram handle. Finally, the prize will be a $30 gift card to Ulta Sephora. It's up to you, your choice. And I'm going to send the gift card virtually via email, you know, because we don't want to be sending things in the mail. So it's a little small token of my appreciation. As we move from milestone to milestone, I will be upgrading the prizes and doing things bigger and better. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And yes. And oh, when you enter the contest, put down below in the comments section like your Instagram handle. So yeah, and it would just be selected randomly. And that's it. So subscribe to this channel, that's one. Comment down below your Instagram handle. And then 3, follow me on Instagram. So those are 3 things. And the grand prize, $30 e-gift card via email will be sent to you to Sephora or Ulta. The choice is yours. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you enjoyed my intro to Zillow with me, my new series coming soon. And this means I might be doing 2 videos a week, so woot woot, get excited. Y'all take care. Bye.